In the dark room,
Report all unusual behavior.
thinking about you.
Barricade your homes. Avoid all contact with infected individuals.
Slow,
Wait for official instructions. Huh. Wake my ass.
I've been dreaming.
Kill all sons of bitches. That's my official instruction.
This used to be a nice neighborhood. Who the hell puts an evac station 30 flights of goddamn stairs?
Well, Coach, maybe the helicopter. Maybe it's made of chocolate.
Oh, this is not happening. This is not happening. This is not happening.
Thought they're supposed to be saving our asses.
Looks like there's been a change of plans.
I know, I need to get away. Oh, what a day it's been. Seems like everybody's staring and laughing at me.
Here, take my hand.
Hey, hello, sons of bitches, right?